One of the best questions I often get asked is, how long do implants last? It's a brilliant question because it's actually a very difficult question to answer. We want implants to last for as long as possible, but sometimes to expect that they will last forever is unrealistic. And I know I sometimes joke with patients when they ask me how long is the implant going to last, I ask them how long do they think they're going to last. So it's difficult and it can be unpredictable. We're often putting an implant into a hostile environment where there are unpredictable forces, and sometimes things can happen. But what the literature reports is that implants generally last between 7 and 10 years. But for you to understand that that is an average which will take on the implants that maybe only last a day. Perhaps we glue the crown in and it falls back off again, all the way to the ones that last 20 to 30 years. So there's a huge spread in how long these things can last. Another really important topic is, what is failure? What is lasting? So remember that there are very simple and easy complications that are easy to manage. So like I mentioned, for example, the crown coming off the implant. You come back and see me and it's a 1-minute job just to glue it back in again. Or sometimes the screw that holds the tooth on can come loose. And again, it's a really simple job. You come back in, we tighten it back up again, and off you go. There are more serious complications though. The most serious is one that's called peri-implantitis. In the same way that the root of a tooth is held firmly in bone, over time, that bone can shrink away, making the tooth become loose. And the dental implant will be inserted into bone, but if the bone becomes infected, perhaps maybe not cleaning the teeth properly or something like this, then that bone can start to shrink away and eventually the implant could fall out. Thankfully, this is not a common occurrence, but it's so important that we understand that we can't just put the implant in and forget about it. Cleaning, maintenance, and regular inspections are so important to make sure that this important investment that you've made is something that you get a good return on, i.e. it lasts a really long time.